Hi everyone, my name is Stefan and welcome back. Today we have a very small item, but it's fun. On the box they mention +10. This drone, we can say it's for beginner and advanced too. They say the camera in front is 720p. I try it and you're going to see a video. It's more 480p. What is fun with it, you can take picture and do a video live when it's time to, I don't know, if you want to take a video about your car live, you can do it with that small drone. What is nice when you buy that kind of drone, look, you have three kind of color. You have the blue, the red, or the black. Me, the one I choose, it was the red. Here they tell you all the feature, and on the other side they explain you the drone, the size and everything. Here they show you some feature again. Here you have a barcode, so like that you need to go on the Google Apps or Apple Store. And let's open it now. Like always, user manual. You have this, a discount. The drone, like I told you, this is the brand, the name is Atoyx, but the model is A like Apple, T like Thomas -96. Yeah, you can see it's already broken here because I have fun with it. Wait, here you have the remote control. Let's look all the way down. The charger, USB, and the cell holder when it's time to take video or picture. And voila, that's going to be what we have inside the box. Like I told you, the size of this drone is 5 inch by 5 inch and 2 inch of thickness. This remote control, when you turn on, wait, you have like a green light to tell you this is on. In the back you need 2 AAA battery of your choice. And the only thing I don't like about this drone, you don't have like a switch on and off. Each time you need to, wait, I'm gonna show you, to plug it in and unplug, plug it in and unplug when it's time to switch on. That's the only thing I don't like, but for the rest it's fun. Trust me, it's really fun. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put the holder on the remote control, and I'm going to show you what exactly look. It's easy. Just take it, put it. Wait, just going to go here, bring it down, et voila, and now you have your cell holder. Look at that, that's easy. You can, it's plastic. I'm going to turn it off, et voila. So like that, this guy tell you everything was okay. So let's turn it on. I hope you're going to see it. Wait, let me show you what does it look like. I have to plug the battery with the drone, because in the front you have 2 lights. Not belong. Wait. Voila. I'm going to see 2 white light. When et voila, so you're going to see the the white light flashing, like bleeping fast. That's tell you the remote control is okay with the drone. It's connected together. Et voila, you just did. So now you can see the light, they're on. They stop blinking. And let me show you a video about it, and we're going to come back. Okay, so you can see I'm outside in my backyard. You can see the quality of the picture at the same time. It's not really, like I tell you, it's not really 720, it's more 480p. But in the back we have a lot of wind, so the drone is not really stable. The weight of the drone is 46 grams, include the battery. Inside the manual, the user manual, they explain you how to download it, the app, so like that on your phone. When you download the app, you need to go on AT-96, and after that you're going to see like a few number and letter after that. And don't forget to put your cell phone on hotspot, Wi-Fi hotspot. So like that your drone is going to be connect to your cell phone when it's time to take picture and video at the same time, or if you want to remote control with your cell phone. Like I tell you, don't forget to put it on a hotspot, download it, hotspot, and after that you can have fun with your drone. Yeah, so the flying time, it's about 5 to 7 minutes. And for recharge, it's going to be roughly 40 minutes. The distance you can fly with this drone is roughly 30 to 50 meters. I hope you like this video about this drone. And if you like it, don't forget to thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And like always, if you want, you can always share this video with your friend or your family. And just leave a comment. That's going to be really appreciated. And see you in another one.